My name is Sarah. I am 25 years old. I work in a small office in the city. Every day I go to work in the morning, I come home at night. I often come home late. I feel very tired after work. My body feels heavy, my head feels full. I want to rest. I want to sleep. At home, my mother is there. She stays at home every day. Every night, she waits for me. She sits in the living room. She looks at the door. She waits and waits. When I open the door, she smiles. "You are home," she says. I say, "Yes, Mom." She stands up slowly. She walks to me. "Are you tired?" she asks. "Yes, I am tired." She looks at me with soft eyes. Then she goes to the kitchen. She brings food for me. The food is warm. The food smells good. "Eat first," she says. I sit at the table. I start to eat. Then I take my phone. I watch videos. I read messages. I do not look at my mother. My mother sits near me. She looks at me. "Eat slowly," she says. "Yes, Mom." But I still look at my phone. I do not talk much. She is quiet. She just watches me. She smiles a little. Sometimes my mother asks about my work. I only say, "It was okay." Then I look at my phone again. She wants to talk more, but I do not notice. One Sunday, she says, "When you were little, you always told me stories." I smile, but I do not think much about it. After I eat, I feel a little better. I say, "Thank you, Mom." Then I go to my room. I lie on my bed. I use my phone again. I watch more videos. I forget the time. My mother is still outside. She cleans the table. She washes the dishes. She turns off the light. Then she goes to sleep. The next day is the same. I go to work. I come home late. My mother waits. She always waits. One night, I come home very late. It is very quiet. The house is dark. The light is off. I feel something is different. "Mom?" I call. No answer. I walk slowly into the house. I look at the table. There is food on the table, but the food is cold. I touch the plate. It is not warm. I feel something in my heart. I feel sad. I walk to my mother's room. The door is open. She is sleeping. The light is off. She looks very tired. I stand at the door. I do not say anything. I think, every night she waits for me, but tonight she is too tired. I go back to the table. I sit down. I eat the cold food. It does not taste the same. For the first time, I feel ashamed. I remember all the nights she waited for me. I remember her warm food, her soft voice, her tired eyes. And I ask myself, why did I never sit and talk with her? That night, I cannot sleep well. I keep thinking about my mother. The next day, I finish work early. I go home before dark. I open the door. My mother looks surprised. "You are home early," she says. I smile. "Yes, Mom." I sit with her. We eat together. I do not take my phone. I do not look at my phone. I look at her. She smiles. I smile too. We talk a little. We laugh a little. I feel warm. I feel happy. After that night, I try to come home earlier. Sometimes we drink tea together. Sometimes we talk after dinner. She tells stories about the past. I listen. Now I understand. Home was never just a place. It was my mother waiting for me. I think, I want to come home early again.
Here are 5 important words from the story. Ashamed, feeling bad or guilty about something you did. Notice, to see, hear, or pay attention to something. Tired, feeling no energy because of work or activity. Understand, to know the meaning of something or someone's feelings. Waits, stays for someone until they come back. I hope you learned some new words today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next story.